Question B5, label all the 80-degree angles. So just do a quick sketch of the question here, like that. Now remember, when you've got two parallel lines, and then a line crossing between the two parallel lines like this, if you put a point there and a point there, and then draw a circle around that point and a circle around that point, you've basically got 8 angles. But you haven't got 8 different angles. You've only got 2 different angles. So you've got an acute angle and you've got an obtuse angle. Or should I say 4 acute angles, 4 obtuse angles. So this angle here is 80. So that would be in the bottom corner here. But then you could, basically all of the acute angles are all going to be 80. And you can use various reasoning to justify that. So this angle here is also 80 because it's what's called vertically opposite. We'll just write that down. That's normally when you're looking for a cross shape. Angles opposite each other in a cross shape or opposite each other, opposite the vertex. This point here is the vertex. Therefore, these are vertically opposite. Those angles are equal. Then you've got this angle here is also 80. This one you can think about as Z shape. Now, those angles are called alternate angles. Alternate angles are angles which are on the opposite sides of the slanted line within the Z shape, more commonly known as alternate angles. They are also equal. That's 80. And then you've got vertically opposite again with this 80. So that's also 80. So all the acute angles end up being 80. So there we go. We've labelled those. Just as a bonus question, we could label the other angles as well. So you basically then think about angles on a straight line. So these 2 angles here would be angles on a straight line. And angles on a straight line add up to 180. So if one of them is 80, the other one has to be 100. And then vertically opposite that 100 is this 100. This 100 is corresponding to this 100 down here, so they are the same. Corresponding means they're in the same position. So if this circle, this 100 is in the bottom right, this bottom right here is going to be the same as the bottom right there. So if that's 100, we know that the bottom right and the bottom circle is also 100. And then you've got vertically opposite the vertex is here. That means that's going to be 100 as well. So as I said, you've got 8 angles, but only 2 different angles. 4 of them are 100, 4 of them are 80.